Okay guys, so here's my Commander Phil in the making. As you can see, halfway done. That's my stuff that I'm using. I don't know what that is. But yeah. I messed up on this side. It was almost done. Then I have to do the lines. And then this half. And then his body. Which will probably be difficult. I'm using that picture from Wikipedia. So I think it's coming out pretty nice. Alright, let me see. Save image. Yeah, save. Then we can go back. Let me see. External. So I'm just looking for his picture. Letter F, letter F, letter F. Nope, it's at the bottom. Or maybe not. Okay, here it is. Then I could stretch him out, I think. Yeah, like that. And then no, yes. I can't get it. Okay, right there. I got his head. Come on. Zoom. Yeah, just forget that. Come on, zoom. Moving. Okay, so I'm basically turning an average clone trooper into that. I will make another video once he's done, so stay tuned. And comment, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up. And visit my new website, legotronproductions.yolosite.com. And let me show you my other one. This is the legotronproductions.webs.com. Okay? Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.